Welcome back. It's time now for the business day. Catastrophic. That's how World Bank President David Malpass is describing living standards in developing countries due to COVID-19. He says poorer countries will find it harder to rebound because of significant social and economic challenges.
On the one hand, greater demand in advanced economies will help create markets. But on the other hand, the loss of investments, skills, and schooling during the pandemic has been catastrophic for the developing world. The data is clear that poorer countries are not making the gains in living standards that were expected pre-crisis and are falling further behind.
Following a review of financial systems risk in Jamaica last year, the Financial System Stability Committee, FSSC, has determined that near-term risks to financial stability are contained. In a statement, the committee noted that while the significant fall-off in economic activity resulted in reduced demand for credit extended by deposit-taking institutions, loan quality has so far not deteriorated dramatically. In addition, the balance sheets of non-deposit-taking financial institutions have not reflected significant adverse pressures. The FSSC says these entities continue to demonstrate sufficient solvency and liquidity positions. Now, the University of the West Indies has secured an international grant of $25 million, the largest in its history. The grant will see the United States Silicon Valley digital technology giant Eon Reality entering the Caribbean market as a post-COVID education development leader. This initiative is a key part of the university's new finance vision that seeks to convert its global reputation into sustainable revenue. Vice Chancellor Professor Sir Hilary Beckles says the university is moving swiftly along its plotted finance trajectory, noting that there are other such major funding initiatives in the global pipeline. The initial public offering of Future Energy Source Company Limited, FESCO, closed early after the offer was oversubscribed. The company offered up to 500 million shares at 80 cents each, with hopes of raising at least $400 million. FESCO intends to use the proceeds to enter the cooking gas market, increase its presence in Kingston and St. Andrew, and reduce its debt. And that's it for the Business Day. International stories when we return.